Hi, I'm Natalie Caldell, the founder and executive director of BioBuilder, and we have just a little bit of time left in 2024. So thank you for spending just a minute with me as we look at the wonderful year that we have had through the BioBuilder Educational Foundation. Our goal is to inspire the next generation with novel life science curriculum and programs. We have made tremendous impact this year and in the 13 years of our existence, and much of that comes thanks to strategic and leadership partners that we have with wonderful organizations. But individuals are vital partners in BioBuilder's educational mission. And as you consider your end of year giving priorities, I encourage you to think about BioBuilder and the impact you can make bringing a scientific identity to this next generation of young people. Thank you for considering us and for an investment in our future through training and inspiration of our next generation of scientists.